Welcome to Rejoice Festival 2025. Visual standby. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here in Bali for Rejoice Fest.
I am enjoying this lovely elephant ride here in beautiful Bali. You missed out this time, but you don't have to miss out next year. Make sure that you book your next vacation with Cultural Holidays to come to beautiful Bali, Indonesia for Rejoice Fest.
Cultivate a little gratitude in your heart for being here in Bali, the island of the gods, absorbing this beautiful morning energy and sunlight. And be grateful to yourself for taking some time and stepping away from the world.
We are at Bali Rejoice Fest.
Welcome to the Rejoice Fest Bali 2025. Are you guys feeling great in Bali? Give a big round of applause, everyone! Wow! Miss Rajni Pandey.
Very warm welcome to all of you to the Rejoice Fest Bali. And I'm so delighted to see so many happy and beautiful faces out here. Let's give it for all of you. Give a big round of applause for all of you today.
Feeling of joy being here in Bali together, celebrating something special. What is that? Rejoice Fest.
Again, I want to say thank you for coordinating the Rejoice Fest. Living my best life in Bali. Your staff is amazing.
How is Bali? That's not loud enough. How is Bali?
But first of all, I want to thank Cultural Holidays for the opportunity to share, and to my group, thank you for trusting me to be a part of this journey.
You spin me inside outside, and you hold me so tight. We'll dance and party all night, mambo, mambo, baby. So kiss me in the moonlight, you know it always feels right. We'll dance and party all night, mambo, mambo, baby.
Round of applause for Mr. Sanjay, the CEO of Cultural
I'm a millionaire in my line of work.
I choose the thoughts that shape my destiny.
I choose the thoughts that shape my destiny.
I will act, I will rise, I will not quit.
I will act, I will rise, and I will not quit.
And this one, very powerful. My time is now.
My time is now.
I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, you get into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel the buzz. I'm into having.
I am so grateful to Culture Holidays because they made our trip very seamless.
Lifetime trip for me. Innovative, welcoming, and amazing.
Incredible experience being able to connect with other like-minded people from across the globe.
Happy to do another trip with Culture Holidays.
Culture Holidays, you guys are thebomb.com. You guys rock completely from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Here in Bali for Rejoice Fest, and I am so excited that I chose to come with Culture Holidays.
Hi, this is my first time on a trip with Culture Holidays. It has been amazing.
I'll definitely be back. The group will be back. Thank you, Culture Holidays.
We came up with a little saying. What we say? Bali, ali, 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 Bali, ali, ali, ali.
The experience was awesome. All the excursions were absolutely beautiful.
Journey, meeting new friends.
Amazing adventures all over the islands.
Bali Rejoice Fest 2025 was amazing. If you're thinking about coming here, just do it. It's a must. Absolutely must.
Everything was amazing. I will definitely do this again. Yes. You have to travel Culture Holiday.
Culture, the friendliness, the happiness. Culture Holiday put together a great trip.
We had a great time in Bali and also a great time in Thailand prior to this. Had a lot of fun. Thank you guys.
Went above and beyond taking care of us and arranging a lot of different things, but the elephants were awesome.
Transformation is great. I have a lot of things I want to transform.
Same here.
Milwaukee, stand up to this one here, baby. Uh-oh, it's Big Moochie, baby. Big Mooch. Homies MC. Homies. Hey, check this out. I got this new edition here. What we gonna do? This going out to all my people out of Milwaukee. We gonna call this here the Biker Shuffle, the Milltown edition. Walk it to your right. Now move it on up. Hey, move it on up. Now walk it to your left.